Abby and I recently stumbled across this RC car and were pleasantly surprised. Amazingly, the price of this is under $200. It's completely ready to run. It's brushless. It comes with a battery and a charger, hobby grade, and a blast. We think that this is the fastest for the money RC you can buy. Granted, you are limited to driving on asphalt because of its low clearance, but it's absolutely hobby grade with independent shocks and just really, really fun to drive. Now it's fast, yeah, but we thought it'd be fun to challenge each other to do a couple cool things that we've never done on the channel before. Today, I think we want to use this light pole and a couple other signs and poles over there to challenge each other to see who can actually drive this thing better than just speed. Anybody can pull the trigger and hold it straight. Now we're gonna have some drifting fun.
Oh man.
See what this thing's made of. Okay, I don't know if either of us can do this successfully, but when we were juicing this, and you just give it a little bit of throttle, more than easing into it, it likes to slide. I have a feeling we can try to drift or power slide around this pole, and I just wanna see who can do it the best, me or Abby. Okay, it's gonna be a challenge, Abby. We also have like a slalom course that we're gonna challenge each other to. So 2 different challenges in this video. Maybe we should just say who can get around this pole the fastest. These aren't drift tires, they are rubber and they're soft, so they're not really made for drifting.
It'd be cool to put drift tires on this though.
Oh my gosh.
That would be an easy upgrade.
You just put tape on the tires, that's how you get it. This thing is so awesome though. I don't know about my first idea. We may have to jump to the second one really fast, but it's gonna be really fun too. Abby, you definitely gotta give this a shot just to see if you can drift around the pole. Okay, I want to see what you got. I have one more idea too that we may do before the video's over.
Well, first things first.
Donuts? Is that full throttle?
No.
Oh, wow.
That was just like a quarter.
Wow. You could probably blow a tire out on this doing donuts like that. That was good. See, it's got the power, but I think because there is grip on the tires, it's all throttle management. You can't hold steering all the way because then it's too sharp. It's all in the throttle control. Woo! Isn't that amazing though?
Yeah.
We've never, Abby and I own all kinds of monster trucks, stadium trucks, short course trucks. Yeah, you're hung up.
I am. I can't see it.
But we've never owned an on-road car before.
Aww. Poor little guy. Now all the on-road people are probably like,
no, we're new to this. We're new to this. Everybody's got to be new at certain parts. You know what? When people come to us and say, hey, I've never flown an RC plane before, we don't hate on them, we help them. Yeah. So that's what we have to do. Okay, can I try my next idea? Clearly the power drifting, my next idea is going to be fun. I told you guys in the speed test that it looked like everything was waterproof. I think it is. Let's do it.
Let's fly over the water.
I want to fly over the water.
Those are actually pretty deep, just so you know.
I got to hit it with some speed. Oh man, okay, I'm ready. This could end really badly, but it's got to be fun. Oh yeah, look at all that gravel.
Hey, you can't even get speed up. Oh, that looks so cool though.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have fun there. We're gonna try to hit this though. Ease into it.
No, bail.
We did it. We did it.
I don't want to do that again.
There was a rock stuck behind the wheel.
You thought the servo went out?
I fried it or something. Look at all this loose gravel, Abby. I feel like you should be the one.
Yeah, I'm really jealous.
Okay,
give me the controller.
This is Abby's thing. She does the donuts. Whoa, not so much throttle. You're gonna knock one of us out. Awesome. Good job. Woo! This is one we keep handing the controls back and forth. So it is waterproof, which is awesome.
Oh, it looks so cool with the dirt.
I love this. There's your power slides, right?
Yeah. So good.
Go. Yeah. Ooh. Okay, so this is the kind of bashing you do with one of these.
It's fun. Uh-oh.
Lock up the rear. Oh no, we lost the dog bone. That's what's going on.
Oh no, we're never gonna find it.
No.
We're never gonna find that. Unless it's like sitting right here. Oh my gosh.
Lost the dog.
You would break it. You talk about me crashing it in the last speed test video. Who was driving? Nathan Saylor.
In all fairness, we could have lost it anywhere.
But you were driving when it kaput.
So
Nathan.
when you guys are out running something and you lose a part, how long do you look before you give up? Could it be? It could be in the water.
No.
It might be.
It happened when you were just now driving.
Maybe.
Admit it.
I might have lost the dog bone. Okay.
You did lose the top
I like this
bone.
RC. The good thing about ZD Racing is they make parts. I'm going to be able to pick up a dog bone for this, no problem. So I hope to have it back on the channel. This is so unique, it's staying in our collection for sure. I don't care what you say about ZD Racing. You were having fun with it too.
I was having, this is probably my favorite ZD Racing ever.
Okay.
I hate those Thunders that you love,
Fair
but
enough.
I do like this. But I'm not surprised it broke.
All RCs break eventually.
I'm not surprised it broke on the first bash.
Oh, well, we got the speed run done. If you guys missed the speed run, be sure to check it out. We'll have it linked at the end of this video. Before we go, I want to thank God for getting us out here, just having fun today. Even though we lost the part and we didn't get to bash very long, that's part of the hobby sometimes. It's good to know you're getting a brand that you can find replacement parts for, and in this case, we can easily. I just want to say a huge thanks to our Patreon supporters, because our Patreon supporters do help us keep the parts going for our RCs. And the names scrolling by right now are some of our top tier supporters. Thank you guys so much for everything you do for us. Before you click away, we have a video popping up right about now that is the speed test of this. That's awesome. Thanks for watching. We'll see you there.
Bye.
I found it. This pops out of all kinds of vehicles, monster trucks and anything. I'm surprised that it did pop out from this, but we found it. That means we can drive it again.
Yay.
So I'm happy.